I'm Suzanne Tick, Creative Director of Luum Textiles, and I'm so excited to share our line of beautiful draperies that pass this necessary sophistication and flame codes for contract interiors. By using the word sophistication, I mean innovative complexities that we feel make our draperies unique and beautiful. Over the years, we've developed a group of 5 styles that range from open casement structures like dispersion and new knit to double-sided, wide-width semi-sheers like gaze to heathered solids like backdrop and opaque velvets like focal point. The light blocking characteristics and visual and acoustical privacy offered by each drapery goes up as we move from the lighter, more open textiles to the heavier, more opaque ones. Dispersion is an open casement style drapery textile with a unique look and manufacturing story. Dispersion uses a subtractive process where the pattern is embroidered onto a soluble base cloth. During finishing, the base cloth is dissolved, leaving an ephemeral structure and subtle graphic pattern behind. Dispersion's organic materiality diffuses light and divides space. The pattern was developed to increase the interstices as you move across the width of the fabric. A subtle shift of scale creates a softening effect that is both visual and tactile. We are asked all the time how to determine the side hems and bottom hems for all this kind of fabric. Luum has a library of sample drapery mock-ups for you to explore based on the structure of each of the textile. We show them with a ripple fold header as well as a pinch pleat header. Dispersion is 57 inches wide, so it is applied off the bolt. The selvages are used to create French seams where 2 drops meet, and the side and bottom hems are folded over twice and stitched along the dense embroidered areas. Next up is a casement textile with a totally different manufacturing story. New knit is inspired by the structure of the architectural grid, and its 2-color wool look warp knit construction maintains a graphic strength across the plane. Utilizing primarily Traverse CS, the weight and drape of this fabric is sturdy. You can feel the sturdiness of the structure. New knit is 55 inches wide, so again, we're applying it off the bolt, and again, we've used the selvages for a French seam. Moving into the semi-sheer category, we have gaze. Gaze is a wide-width, gauzy drapery sheer that combines clever color play with renewable fibers for a soothing dimensionality in a variety of spaces. At 126 inches wide, its soft, billowy, and reversible nature uses wool on one side and polyester on the other to lend a sculptural effect. Due to its wide width, gaze can be used either off the bolt or railroaded. We recommend railroading to decrease the labor and number of seams. And don't forget, it's double-sided, so you can use either color as the face. For opaque draperies, we have backdrop and focal point. Backdrop is an inherently fire-retardant polyester drapery with a matte, dry, wool-like hand and a refined heathered texture of subtly mixed hues. At 72 inches wide, this opaque textile can obscure light and offer acoustical support. Focal point is our most acoustically absorbent and light-dimming drapery, with an NRC of 0.95 at 100% fullness and an opacity of over 99.9%. Soft to the touch, focal point's inherently flame retardant and clean air gold certified velvet comes in dramatic reds, deep blues, greens, and neutrals to create conversation between the areas in a space where sound sensitivity is an important design consideration, such as recording studios, screening rooms, auditoriums, breakout areas, and window treatments. Open floor plans and shifting spaces provide new design challenges. Luum's drapery offering creates opportunities for coordinative textures and color for space division, acoustics, light control, and privacy. Make sure to work closely with the drapery workroom you trust to explore all finishing options to achieve your design goals. And as always, visit luumtextiles.com to order samples or find your rep anytime.